Howdy, strangers. You find yourselves in Old Castletown, what you might call a peaceful town. Here, everyone lives in harmony and respecting each other. The work and welfare are guaranteed by the Echo Empire Logistics, a company that deals with shipments. Everything is going just right today, but it wasn't always like this. There once was another company, the Megabox Logistics. The owner was Diablo Tanner. Business was going great, but the price was really steep for the people and the town. I remember mountains of orders, shipments on shipments. They really shipped everything. Boxes of whiskey, boxes of hats, gunpowder, boxes with munitions and dynamite. Oh, well, now those are dangerous. The many stagecoaches that came and went every day were dumping waste on waste. Meat and delivery times and requests soon became a race against time. Oh, work was really killing. There was an excessive use of corrugated at the Megabox Logistics, and nobody worried about optimizing waste to reduce garbage. And to think that most of the volume being shipped was just filling material. What's the point of stealing the horse food just to fill the box's empty space? Now, this went on for a long time until young Forrest the Pioneer came to town. The revolutionary and visionary Forrest had to save Old Castletown, save the planet. Ah, blessed youth, but it seemed dang near impossible. Today in Old Castletown, Diablo's Megabox Logistics doesn't exist anymore. Its place has been taken by the Echo Empire Logistics that seems to do the same job, but it's not like that. And to be honest with you guys, today, the Echo Empire Logistics ships 5 times more and has optimized costs and labor. Do you want to know how young Forrest did it? Well, I helped him out. Oh, the planet must be helped. CMC Carton Wrap is the Echo Empire Logistics secret. Great Scott! Fasten your seatbelts! This machine has more horsepower than the entire Far West. CMC Carton Wrap reads the dimensions of each product, cuts the blanks, and makes a box that perfectly fits the order. Yeehaw! Forrest's boxes are really robust and strong. I bet my horse against a spit you can't find a single box with even one void filler. Today in Old Castletown, we only fill horses' bellies and pockets with money saved on shipments. Each box is custom made and fits like a boot on my foot. Rumors have it that in the future, it will be called 3D packaging. Today they don't ship empty anymore. Well, to be honest with you, the only thing that's empty is my bottle. Oh, dang it, I'll run out of whiskey. Well, dagnabbit, I almost forgot. Want to know how Forrest won the beauty of the saloon's heart? Well, what would you have done if you had received a box fully customized with CMC Packvertising? Just for her. For the highest customer satisfaction. Lady satisfaction in this case. Well, looky there, Forrest. You're the one that's boxed in now.